Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the account and can receive codes, otherwise you may lock yourself out. Once logged in, open Snapchat and tap your profile, then the gear icon to reach settings. Make sure your phone number or authentication app is accessible. If you use an authenticator, have it ready. This step prevents interruptions when Snapchat asks for verification. If you don't have access, stop and recover account access first. Otherwise, proceed to the two-factor authentication settings now. Once in settings, find Login Verification or Two-Factor Authentication and open it. This is where Snapchat lists your current method. You'll see whether SMS or an authenticator app is active. Tap the active method to reveal options. Choose the Disable or Remove option. Snapchat will prompt you to confirm with a code. Enter the SMS or authenticator code you just received so Snapchat can verify it's you. This step proves identity and prevents others from removing protection without access. Confirm the action by entering the verification code and tapping Disable. Snapchat will remove that 2FA method immediately. Once done, test logging out and back in to ensure the account accepts your password without a second factor, and update recovery options like a current phone number or email. If you cannot receive a code or Snapchat still requires verification, use backup codes or start account recovery. Contact support only after attempted recovery. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.